All right. Here we go. Day 47. Day 47. And guess who wore 47? The Dallas Cowboys. His early part of career, like first few months or whatever it is, was Michael Irvin before he switched to 88. So day 47 here at Casa de Malouff. We got the electricians guys working in today. I got to run to Home Depot here shortly, so this is probably going to be a short video for now. And I'll figure out the tile stuff. But I'm probably going to organize this a little bit here in the room, in the garage, in the car house. I'm sorry, misspelled it. Car house, mispronounced it. So we're changing out all the electrical switches and switches. We got all the boxes loaded and lined up to where what's going where. So GFIs are being set up. All the switches are being set up. So I have to order some more from Amazon, which are coming in later. They're going to put the fan in and change out this light for a recessed light. They're caulking and sealing some of the baseboards. So today, I guess you could call it as the electrical day. My guy working right there. They're smart. They turn the power off before they do that. Not me, I just go ahead and do it. So a young man here is doing the caulking and sealing, getting it ready for additional paint. We got the doors in. I just walked by everything, didn't realize the doors are in. But we got more trim coming, so they're gonna put in new trim. And then each door has its own lock set up already. So everything's in order. And so that's what today is. Today is gonna be electrical day and probably putting in the door handles and stuff. So, okay, I gotta run off to, oh, and the guys are gonna fix the tile. There's a couple more pieces of tile that they're off center. So they're gonna fix those tiles. So that's it for now. Nothing to be done outside today other than cutting the trim. And we're going from there. Okay, we will see. Maybe do a video number 2 probably sometime either early afternoon or late this afternoon. So if it's late this afternoon, it'll be only 2 videos for the day. So other than that, we'll see you on the next time. Thanks for watching this one. All right, day 47 coming to a close. We got finishing painting on the trim. I picked up some items at Home Depot. Got my garbage disposal. I got the toilets and the sink and hoses and all kinds of stuff. Fun stuff. So let's go inside and see what all he's done. Hello. All right, painting looks pretty good. All right, they're going to do one more coat of paint on the walls. So we got the switches in. Yeah. And the dimmer. See if the dimmer works. Yeah, the dimmer works. Let's check the light. There you go. Nice. All right. We got a dimmer over here. Dim and brightness. Nice. All right, that works. All right. We still need the door trim here. You know, this is all coming together for tomorrow. It's not that big of a deal. Our friendly door cockroach, he's dead. I gave him some boric acid yesterday. Just haven't picked him up yet. So, all right, coming along. All the caulking and sealing. They're going to clean the floors and then they'll recaulk the bottom portion of the baseboards. So he's just doing the top right now. They'll do a mop and a deep clean. So, all right. Starting to piece the puzzle together. Coming together. What do we got back here? Nothing back here. Okay. All right, well, you know, you got to do one thing before you move on to the next. So tomorrow they're probably going to be working on the kitchen cabinets and putting those together. And that's what all that's for. Oh, I got to get the garbage disposal. So let me get the garbage disposal out. I got some stuff here for the disposal. Get the disposal. Okay. So supposedly these are good quality cabinets that they have to put together. Never heard of it, so I'm giving it the giving it with a grain of salt. See what happens tomorrow when they put it together. All right, put that down. Okay, so we're supposed to get more switches and stuff from Amazon, but apparently they haven't delivered yet. So we have to wait. Let's go look in the master bedroom, see what the master bedroom looks like. They still got to do a lot of work in the master bedroom. So, all right, well, this is it. Welcome to day 47. Moving along, one step closer. And, yep, we got some ceiling fans. Oh, yeah, did they put the other ceiling fan in? Let's go check the bedrooms. No, they didn't put the 2 bedroom fans in. Not yet. Okay. Yeah, so they still have to put a ceiling fan in here. And I think in this one here. Yeah, and this one too. Okay. And then 3 outside out back patio. But that's next week. Okay, so thanks for watching day 47. Oh, look at that. They put the wall up. Yep, somebody was complaining about that. They didn't like it open like that for so long. So, this concludes day 47. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe button, all that fun stuff. Whatever you want to do. Share, like, comment. Do whatever. And we'll do tomorrow 48. And we'll go from there. See ya.